Do you believe that your dog is incredibly intelligent? Playing instruments, dancing, first aid, helping people, and many other amazing things are all things your dog can do. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to start exploring these exciting discoveries right away. With this special ability, the dog is truly a musical talent. It's amazing how this dog has a refined sense of music and rhythm. The dog, with its sense of protecting shared property, acted cautiously to avoid damaging the path. This reflects a quality that some people with less awareness might not achieve. Although it cannot speak, the dog has shown incredible empathy. It understands that the baby is feeling unhappy and acts to make the baby feel better. Look at your dog. He might be hiding the fact that he's a skilled piano player.
Oh my God! I'm here to grab Teddy.
Let's go!
He looks so serious, like, I gotta get this spin perfect. A wedding wouldn't be complete without this four-legged member. This adorable dog took part in the wedding photo shoot and was very helpful to the bride.
Nope. Bruh.
Work smarter, not harder.
Nope.
What a clever dog, right? If you know how to leverage your resources, planting trees will become more enjoyable and efficient.
Bruh.
Aw, that's so cool. She trained her owner to play guitar.
Hot, 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 hot!
Opening the fridge and sticking your head inside is definitely the smartest way to deal with the heat. The dog and its owner are carrying out a clever mission together. This is the definition of an ideal teammate. It's clear that this dog has a great affection for the soldiers, which is why it decided to lend them a hand. It's great to have a cute dog helping out on a mission, isn't it? This pit bull is being trained to become a reliable family protector. Having a loyal companion always by your side can make you feel safer and more confident. Tasks like these can't challenge our dog.
That is crazy.
Give me soda.
With a smart service dog like this at home, you won't need automated devices. Thanks to this dog's impressive first aid skills, its owner will surely consider rewarding it with a more substantial meal tonight. Dogs are not only essential four-legged friends, but also reliable assistants. A great example of unity and seamless coordination, demonstrating that even in the world of dogs, teamwork can be the key to success. you'll become a big-time manager with a talented dog like this. This dog is truly a master of problem solving, proving that skill and intelligence are not just for humans.
Oh my God!
Hey, guys, I don't think this dog can break this motorbike with its paws. Knowing how to open the door to go out is a big step, but since you forgot about the security gate, unfortunately, you can't go out today.
You're an egg.
This is not only a smart move, but also showcases the amazing firefighting spirit of this dog. Truly a brave four-legged warrior, isn't it?
Excuse me. I need to take a shower.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Wow!
Isn't it surprising? I think I'll ask him to teach me how to drive that tractor. This dog was asked by its owner to fetch his wallet, and it didn't take long for the dog to do it. So smart. The dog saw its grandma working in the garden and brought her a bucket to help with the harvest. A smart dog knows how to solve problems on its own. The dog is quite clever in figuring out how to move what it wants to a different path. The dog not only demonstrates intelligence, but also proves that help with daily tasks can come from four-legged friends.
Where's Grandma? Where is she? Huh? Where's Grandma's grave? Is that it? That's Grandma's grave, huh? Good girl, you found her.
This 1.5-year-old dog knows exactly where Grandma is buried. Every time, she runs straight to Grandma's grave, showing the deep bond and special affection she has for her. If you agree with me that this dog deserves the title of Best Babysitter of the Year, please comment 1 below this video. The dog is truly talented to paint such beautiful pictures. I think this dog even paints better than I do. Every time this family returns from the market, the dog Gus always helps bring the groceries into the house in a cute and dedicated manner. He's not just a loyal four-legged friend, but also a valuable helper in daily tasks. Have you ever tried working out with your dog? I guarantee this experience will be a lot of fun.
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
Bruh.
Without any help, this dog can still figure out a solution to its own eating needs.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Dogs can definitely understand what you're saying, so make sure to tell your dog you love them a lot.
Alright, shopping list: bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Did you just say to me?
Wow.
Clearly, the traffic awareness of these two dogs is exceptional.
Baby poop? Let me check.
Change diaper.
Hey, Safi, let me check.
Have you ever seen a baby potty detector like this dog? He's been a great help to his owner.
You right? I'm gonna change him.
After a night of fun that lasted until 4 a.m., instead of making noise, this dog knows how to ring the doorbell to announce his return.
Wait.
I have to admit that he drives even better than I do. This little dog proves that intelligence isn't about size. As long as you don't give up, success is sure to follow. Always remember to wipe your nose after drinking water. This dog might be the most polite dog I've ever seen. This dog will amaze you with his cycling skills.
Good boy. Good pedal. Good boy.
I might even sign him up for a bike race. This dog might be invited by Travis Scott to perform with him because of its amazing singing voice.
Come on!
Don't focus on the result. Think about how hard this dog has tried. When the blind dog Luna accidentally fell into the family pool, Luna's friend, the dog Caipirinha, immediately ran to help. Caipirinha circled the pool and nudged Luna towards the steps, but Luna swam in the wrong direction. Nevertheless, Caipirinha didn't give up, and Luna kept trying. Eventually, Luna managed to step onto the ledge, and Caipirinha pulled her out of the water. The family said they have checked the pool to ensure that this incident does not happen again. It's wonderful to see this dog so happy. It's clear that the dog really enjoys skiing and winter. Have you ever thrown a birthday party for your dog? They will surely enjoy it.
Good job!
Oh my God, this is one of the most adorable things I've ever seen.
Fetch me beer.
Is there anything better than having a dog that's ready to fetch a beer for you?
Down. Roll.
This dog loves working out with its mom. Did you work out today?
Roll. Great job, everybody. Great job.
A potentially dangerous explosion was prevented thanks to the timely intervention of this smart dog. Not wanting to return empty-handed, this dog decided to catch a salmon for dinner. These are the first things this dog does as soon as it gets home. Dogs are very intelligent animals, and with proper training, they can easily form habits. The dog is so adorable helping the kitten up the stairs. This action not only demonstrates the dog's sensitivity and kindness, but also serves as a wonderful example of friendship and support between different species. The the Golden Retriever makes backing up easier with its adorable help. Not only do ordinary people like us fear the police, but even dogs have to be afraid of police dogs.
What the dog doing? What?
No matter how big they are, dogs still want to be carried along for a ride. No hesitation, happy to help and doesn't complain. That's senior management material. Isn't it great when your dog can do the grocery shopping for you? You won't need to go to the market anymore and can just focus on cooking. Bringing groceries into the house to help mom is one of the most wonderful things that dogs will do for you.
Wow, that's a heavy sack. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Gussie.
It seems like you forgot to do something with me, didn't you? A very smart dog helps its owner make cookies. Does your dog help you with anything at home? Share with me.
Let's make some cookies. $3.75, 10 minutes.
Short legs have their advantages too, as long as you know how to make the most of them.
What?
They're playing hide and seek. Have you found the dog? If so, please let me know where he's hiding.
Chanel! Oi, amor! Que
Hello.
tá fazendo aí dentro?
You want to go in the elevator?
Yeah.
Instead of climbing the stairs, this dog chooses to take the elevator to save energy. Clearly, he knows how to pick the most convenient option to avoid unnecessary effort.
Do you love the elevator?
Yeah.
Since its owner couldn't go to the beach, this dog decided to do something bold. It went into the sea to get its fur wet and bring seawater back to its owner.
Go, 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 go.
Bruh.
This dog is so gentle, polite, and modest. Once a week, they take their dog, Autumn, to play at the park to enjoy the slides. It's a wonderful way to bring joy to the whole family and their dog.
Happy birthday to you. Speak.
It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.